To install Automount, we need to install Automount package. We type yum install autofs. From this package, you'll get couple of configuration files. The main configuration file is auto.master. So what I'm going to set up now is connection to the home directory for my LDAP users, which is taken care of automatically. To do that, I need to specify the home directory, which are under the home guest directory. So as you can see, this is the auto.master file. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to specify /home directory, which is under the directory /etc auto.guests file. You can choose whatever name of the file you want. I would recommend the name starts with auto because it just makes more sense. So the important thing in contents of this etc auto.guests in the first position is, now let's go to the auto.master file. Vim etc auto.guests. In the first position, I'll put a star, which means anything in my demo environment. Where connections are going over the internet, NFS isn't supported. NFS is for local network. So if you have an NFS server, what you are going to do is you're going to type -rw, which is read and write, to make it read write mount, followed by the NFS server, followed by /home/guests, which is the name of the directory that's shared on the NFS server. So this is what you have to do if you have an NFS server. And you have to add one more important thing, and that is the ampersand. What does the ampersand do? The ampersand matches the star in the beginning of the line. So if the beginning of the line is LDAP user 1 and LDAP 1 user logs in an NFS mount will be created at NFS server /home/guests. But since I don't have an NFS server, what I'm going to use is I'll use something else. What I'll use is LDAP. I'll use the star followed by the FS type, that's the file system. And the file system type is going to be CIF. So now let's type FS type equals to CIFs. This is the Samba mount. This is the file system that's compatible with Windows operating system. So let me type all the parameters before explaining it to you. Basically, the structure is same as doing other mounts on anything else. We have the asterisk in the beginning, we have the ampersand at the end, and we have the file system Samba, we have the username LDAP users, and the password. So here we have a list of mount options. And next what I'm going to do is I need to specify the mount point where it should connect to. So it starts with a colon and it's followed by the UNC path. What's the UNC path? The UNC path here is the server.rhatcertification.com, and that's the path for the Samba server. That's how you configure an auto mount. You see there, that's the path for the auto. That's how you configure an